Hi friend, come back in this class, and this is the second part of this unit, and title is complex circular and hyperbolic function. Means circular and hyperbolic function of complex number. Their introduction: it is presumed that the readers are aware of the important role played by the real circular function sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, etc., sec theta, cosec theta, cot theta, etc., where theta is real. These functions are periodic with many applications, and one content imagine working in mathematics without these functions. Now imagine a situation where theta is a complex number z, means angle is a complex number z. Naturally, it lost its geometric significance of an angle, and consequently sin z, cos z, tan z, etc. Means theta is complex number, then sin theta, cos theta, tan theta convert into sin z, cos z, tan z. Z is the complex number, become a complex valued function. These functions can be conventionally defined and are called complex circular function. Means in trigonometric function theta is complex, then trigonometric functions are called complex circular functions. As a sin z is equal to, this is the given values, sin z is equal to e raised to the power iz minus e raised to the power minus iz upon twice I. Cos z is equal to iz plus e raised to the power minus iz upon 2. Tan z is equal to sin upon cos, 2 cancel, I is present, and this is the e raised to the power iz minus e raised to the power minus iz upon positive e raised to the power iz plus e raised to the power minus iz with I. This is the value of 10. These are the circular functions sin z, cos z, tan z. Now this is the Euler function, e raised to the power iz, cos z plus I sin z. This is the positive cos z plus I sin z. These are the same. We take here negative. Here minus. So this is minus sin z plus minus I sin cos z minus I sin z. Similarly, we define cosec z means 1 upon sin, sec z means 1 upon cos, cot z means 1 upon tan, and the values of cosec z, this is the 2i upon numerator. This is the here cosec z 1 upon cos z means 2 upon, this is the numerator, and cot z means I is here, and this is the numerator converted into denominator. So these are the complex circular functions. Complex circular functions. Many of the properties of the real circular function are also very valid for the complex circular function, but this is the sin z less than or equal 1, cos z less than or equal 1, z is the complex number, necessarily not be true. This is the important line. So this is the colored here, necessarily not be true. For example, put z is equal to I, means complex. In the definition of cos z in equation 111, here put z is equal to I. So this is the twice z, the twice cos, cross multiplication. Here for cos, twice cos I, e raised to the power I into I plus e raised to the power minus I into I, and look here, this is the twice cos I, e raised to the power I into I plus e raised to the power minus I into I is equal to I into I square minus 1, e raised to the power minus 1, e raised to the power 1. So this is the 1 upon e plus e, and the value of e is 2 point something. So this is the cos I is equal to the value of cos I is equal to 1.5 greater than from 1. So this line is true. This line is true. Now periods of complex circular function. Our complex circular functions are sin z, cos z, tan z, and now we find their period. So let z be the complex number. This is the important heading. Z be the complex number. Then sin z plus twice pi, cos z plus twice pi. Here apply sin a plus b formula. Cos z plus I sin z, cos z, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b is equal to cos 2 pi 1, sin 2 pi 0 is equal to sin z. Means sin z plus 2 pi at sin 2 pi plus z is equal to sin z. Means there is no change. So its period is 2 pi. Come back here for cos a plus b formula apply here. So cos z, cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Again same formula apply, and finally we obtain cos z. Means here no change. This is the trigonometric formula. Sin n pi plus theta is equal to sin n pi plus theta is equal to sin theta, and cos n pi plus theta is equal to cos theta. So there is no change. Means the period of sin is 2 pi and cos is 2 pi. So period of sin z and cos z is 2 pi. So this line is again important line. This is the important line. So again colored here. This is the important for the purpose of objective. Here also tan z plus pi. Here we take not 2 pi. This is the pi. So apply here tan a plus b formula. Tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a tan b. So this is the tan z plus tan pi upon 1 minus tan z tan pi. So tan z plus tan pi, this is the 0, and here again 1 minus tan 0. So this is we obtained tan z. There is no change. So period of tan z is pi. Here period of tan z is pi. So this line is again important line. So colored here. Now repeat again. Period of the complex function. Here tan sin z plus 2 pi, and after sin z, here cos z plus 2 pi. Again after solving we obtained cos z. So its period is 2 pi. Means period of sin z and cos z is 2 pi. Same formula apply here. Then we obtained period of tan z is equal to pi. So these three conditions are most important. Now identities for complex circular function. Again complex circular functions are sin z, cos z, tan z. So the following are the trigonometric identities. We hold a, b, c, d are the complex number. So a, b, c, d means their angle. So sin a square a plus cos a square a is equal to 1. This is the well-known formula. Sin a square theta plus cos a square theta is equal to 1. And second formula, this is the 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Theta converted into a is the complex number. Again 1 plus cot square theta is equal to sec square theta. These are the trigonometric formulae. All are the trigonometric formulae. These are the, so this is the sin a plus minus b is equal to sin a sin b plus minus cos a cos b, and here cos a plus minus b means cos a cos b minus plus here plus minus, here minus plus sin a sin b. This is the sin c minus sin d formula. Twice sin c minus d upon 2 cos c plus d upon 2 and cos c plus d upon. These are the trigonometric formulas. Cos c plus cos d is equal to cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2, and here this is the important formula, fourth formula. Cos c minus cos d is equal to twice sin c plus d upon 2, and here d minus c upon 2. This is the d minus c upon 2, or c minus d means minus here. These are the twice sin a sin b formula. Sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. Twice cos a cos b formula. Cos a plus b cos a minus b, and twice sin a sin b formula here, cos a minus b minus cos a minus a plus b. Here this is the again simple formula. Sin twice a is equal to 1 minus twice sin a square a. So sin twice a is equal to twice sin a sin b. sin a cos a, and this is the cos 2a is equal to twice cos a square a minus 1, and this is the 1 minus twice sin square a. This is the thrice formula, this is the 10 formula, and this is the sin minus theta is equal to minus sin theta, and cos minus theta is equal to cos theta. These are the trigonometric formula. And now if z is the complex number, now theorem number 1 or properties number 1, we have here first formula, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, or sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. A is the complex number here. Now we take in place of a z, sin square is z plus cos square z is equal to 1, and their solution or proof. Let left hand side, this is the first, this is the second. We have here sin z is equal to, this is the sin z, cos z, tan z. Substitute the value of sin z and cos z. So here sin z 1 minus z e raised to the power iz minus e raised to the power minus iz upon twice I whole square plus e raised to the power iz plus e raised to the power minus iz upon 2 square. Now open this bracket, this is the 1 upon 4, 1 upon 4 is common, I square means minus, this is the minus symbol. Here a square minus b square, here e raised to the power iz minus e raised to the power minus z square plus e raised to the power iz plus e raised to the power minus iz whole square is equal to 1 upon 2, 4 e raised to the power iz. Here open this, after solving this is the a square plus b square. Now after cancellation, here after solving 1 upon 4, this is the a square minus twice ab, a square minus twice ab means e raised to the power twice iz minus e raised to minus twice e raised to the power iz into e raised to the power minus iz plus e raised to the power minus twice minus I z, and same here. Then first and last cancel, here minus minus plus, so here minus plus symbol, then we obtain 1 upon 4, 4 into e raised to the power iz into e raised to the power minus iz. So this is again cancel, 4 and 4 cancel, we obtain 1. So this type their left hand side is equal to right hand side, means this theorem is true for the value of z is complex number. And next this is the sin a plus b formula, sin z1 plus z2. z1 is complex number, z2 is complex number. Again same formula apply here, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Here cos a plus b formula means cos z1 plus z2 formula is equal to cos z1 plus cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Again same formula here, and these are their solutions. You have understand easily. Next is theorem, this is sin minus theta minus sin theta, cos minus theta cos theta. So this is again simple formula, and these are the again. Now come back on hyperbolic function. This is the main topic or main topic, hyperbolic function. We denote the hyperbolic sign of a complex number z as sin hyperbolic z. Similarly, cos hyperbolic z stands for the hyperbolic cosine. So we have already we have here sin z, the value of sin z cos z. This is the value of sin z, cos z, tan z. And now here sin hyperbolic z, cos hyperbolic z. This is the sin hyperbolic z, means e raised to the power z minus e raised to the power minus z upon 2. I is removed. So cos hyperbolic z is equal to e raised to the power z plus e raised to the power minus z upon 2. For sin minus symbol and for z cos plus symbol. Again tan means sin upon cos. Again division, 2 cancel. This is the e raised to the power z minus e raised to the power minus z upon e raised to the power z plus e raised to the power minus z. This is the tan. This is the cot, cosec and sec. These are the most important values. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 means 6 trigonometric value for hyperbolic function, and this is called trigonometric hyperbolic functions. Now relation between a complex circular and hyperbolic function. This is important again. Relation between complex circular and hyperbolic function means circular function and hyperbolic function. The relation between complex circular and hyperbolic function are given as follows. We take here theorem number 1. So sin iz is equal to I sin z, cos iz is equal to cos hyperbolic z, tan iz is equal to I sin tan hyperbolic z, and cos z iz is equal to minus I cot hyperbolic z, cosec iz minus I cosec z, and sec z iz is equal to sec hyperbolic z. These are the most important formulae. So we have highlight here. These are the formulas. This is the important formula. Sin iz is equal to I sin hyperbolic z, cos iz is equal to cos hyperbolic z, tan iz is equal to I tan hyperbolic z, cot z is equal to minus I tan I cot hyperbolic z, cosec iz is equal to minus I cosec iz, cosec hyperbolic z, and sec iz is equal to sec hyperbolic z. These are their proofs. By definition, we can write sin iz is equal to, substitute the value of sin iz, means this simple sin z form iz. So this is the e raised to the power I into iz, e raised to the power minus I into iz upon 2 izi. So I into I square means minus e raised to the power minus z minus e raised to the power z upon 2 izi. This is the minus, this minus symbol here means position change, e raised to the power iz, e raised to the power z minus e raised to the power minus z upon twice I. So this minus 1 can be written as I square, e raised to the power z minus e raised to the power minus z upon twice I cancel. So this is the I, and this is the value. This value is equal to sin hyperbolic z. This is the already given here. So we have cos iz, sin iz is equal to I sin z. This is given. Sin iz is equal to I sin hyperbolic z. This is the first formula. Second formula same here. Cos iz is equal to this, e raised to the power I into iz, e raised to the power minus I into iz upon 2. This is the e raised to the power minus iz minus z plus e raised to the power z upon 2. This is the cos hyperbolic z. So this type, these two formulas are shown here, and these are again very simple. Tan iz, cot iz, sec iz and cosec iz. Now periods of sin hyperbolic z, cos hyperbolic z and tan hyperbolic z. This type here again already we have seen here the periods of complex circular function means sin z, cos z and tan z. And in next here the periods of sin hyperbolic z, cos hyperbolic z and tan hyperbolic z. So here sin hyperbolic z is equal to minus I sin iz. Sin hyperbolic z is equal to minus I sin iz. Why this value is equal? Means here sin iz is equal to I sin hyperbolic z, and sin hyperbolic z is equal to sin iz upon I, and iz upon I means multiplying by here I upon I. So I sin hyperbolic z upon I square means minus 1. So this is the sin hyperbolic z is equal to minus I sin iz. So this is the minus I sin, and this can be written as, this is the minus, so this is the minus twice pi plus iz, since sin minus twice pi plus theta is equal to sin theta. So this is the minus I sin minus twice pi plus iz, and here minus I sin, this minus can be written as I square, and here this is the minus I is common, twice pi I plus theta, this is the I, and here this is minus I, and here I sin, the sin I z means I sin hyperbolic z, this formula apply, sin iz is equal to I sin hyperbolic z, and this is the, here I sin hyperbolic, this is the angular complex angle, so this is the 2 pi I plus z, and I into I square means minus 1 minus plus, so this is the sin twice pi I plus z, and this is equal to sin theta, sin hyperbolic z. So here we can, this is sin hyperbolic z, means there is no change. This is sin hyperbolic z, this is sin hyperbolic z, so no change. Therefore the periods of sin hyperbolic z is 2 pi I, this is the twice pi I. Same thing apply here, cos hyperbolic z is equal to cos iz, and cos iz can be written as cos minus 2 pi plus iz, and this is again cos, this is minus symbol, can be written as I square, here I common, again this second formula apply here, cos iz is equal to cos hyperbolic iz, this is the cos I, and this is the, suppose, complex number, so this is the cos hyperbolic z means this value, and this is again can be written as is equal to cos hyperbolic z. So cos z, there is no change, means the period of cos hyperbolic z is 2 pi I, this is the 2 pi I, means the period is same for sin hyperbolic z and cos hyperbolic z. Now third is tan hyperbolic z is equal to 1 upon I. Why 1 upon I? Tan iz. So come back here again, this is a tan iz, here I is divided here, tan iz upon I, tan hyperbolic z, this is the tan hyperbolic, so this is the I, again multiplied by I, divided by I can, so here I can say, this is the minus I multiplied by I, divided by I, means this is the here I in numerator, and denominator I square means minus 1, so this is the minus I tan minus pi plus I z, since tan minus pi plus theta is equal to tan theta, so here I minus I is already present here, and this minus symbol can be written as I square, again I is common, so this is minus I tan I, this is a complex number, so this is the minus I, and tan I z is equal to, this is the tan iz is equal to I tan hyperbolic z, so this is the I tan, this is the I tan hyperbolic complex number, and I into I minus 1, I into I I square is minus 1 minus minus plus, so this is the 10. Here hyperbolic 10 hyperbolic pi I z, and this is the equal to 10 hyperbolic z. 10 hyperbolic z. This is a 10 hyperbolic z. Means there is no change. 10 hyperbolic z, 10 hyperbolic z. So the period of 10 hyperbolic z is this 2 pi, pi I. The period of 10 hyperbolic z is pi I. This type we have three results here. First is period of 10 sin hyperbolic z is 2 pi. Period of cos hyperbolic z is 2 pi, and the period of 10 hyperbolic z is pi. Z is pi I. So this we have again three periods for hyperbolic function. Now some results. These are the well-known results. This is the first formula, cos square hyperbolic z minus sin square hyperbolic z is equal to 1. These are these formulas for hyperbolic function. Second formula is 1 minus 10 hyperbolic square z is equal to sec square hyperbolic square z. 1 plus cosec hyperbolic square z is equal to cot hyperbolic square z, and this is the sin hyperbolic minus z is equal to these are the trigonometric function with the hyperbolic function. Now we take first formula here. This is the cos hyperbolic z minus sin hyperbolic z is equal to, substitute the value of hyperbolic function, again square here, and 1 upon 4 again. After is opening this bracket, we obtain 1 upon 4 into 4. This is equal to 1. This is the another method. This method is again easy, and we obtain this result. This type, this result is complete. Now sin minus theta means sin minus z is equal to 1 upon I. This is the hyperbolic function, so convert it into I function, complex function. So this is conversion. We obtain finally result sin hyperbolic minus z is equal to minus sin iz. This is, and after solving, this is iz multiplying by divided by, this is the minus sin hyperbolic z, means sin hyperbolic minus theta is equal to minus sin hyperbolic theta. And cos, this is the cos formula, this is the remark. Now come back on example. This is the first example. Understand yourself. This is the easy examples. So now come back on this example. So this type today's lecture is over, and now again complete this. Cos hyperbolic twice x is equal to this hyperbolic function, convert into I function. So cos twice I x, and this can be written as 1 minus twice sin is, this is the cos twice theta formula, 1 minus twice sin square ix again, and 1 minus, this is the square here, so sin ix convert into hyperbolic, and after solving 1 plus twice sin I square x. So cos twice x is equal to this formula again, this here plus, and twice cos hyperbolic twice x, this is for inside and this is in cos. So this formula is easy. Now 10 a plus b formula here, 10 hyperbolic a plus b formula here, 1 upon I, 10 I a plus b. Here apply this formula, I multiplied here ix plus iy, and here 1 upon I is common. So 10a plus 10b formula, 10a 10b formula, 10a plus 10b upon 1 minus 10a 10b formula apply here. This is the 1 upon I, this ix convert into hyperbolic, iy convert into hyperbolic here again. So this is I common, here I common, I and I cancel, first I cancel, here I into I means I square means minus 1 minus plus. So this is the 10 hyperbolic x plus 10 hyperbolic y plus upon 1 plus 10 hyperbolic x, 10 hyperbolic y, here plus, and in general formula here plus minus, here minus, here plus. So in hyperbolic formula 10a hyperbolic a plus b is equal to 10a plus 10b upon 1 plus 10a 10b, and here sin hyperbolic thrice theta formula in place of theta x. and after solving, this is a thrice sine hyperbolic x plus 4 sine hyperbolic cube x. So these are the simple trigonometric formula. This type, these are our trigonometric formulas for hyperbolic function and their results. So now today's lecture is over, and good day.